Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. Any view into Huck's World, and today we got a freebie for you all. We couldn't leave without giving you a freebie. Now this one is nice. Now you want to go download this one ASAP. Again, it's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. It's called Bold Active Pro. It's by my man PS Watch Faces. This guy is always giving away awesome freebies. Now you can't customize the watch face or anything like that, but it gives you all the information you could ever want to need out of a watch face. So definitely this is a casual watch face, a dress down watch face, a work week watch face. Now if you look up at the top, you're going to get your battery info, floors climb, heart rate, steps. You're going to get a nice big bold digital time, dead center, and the video isn't going to do it justice. The color looks 10 times better in person than it does on this camera. Now you come down, you will get a PM stamp, the day, your date. Also you're going to get calories burned down at the bottom, and you're also going to get miles walked around, and you get a nice animation going around the bezel of the watch. This guy really does his thing with these watch faces, and thank you for the donation, PS. Thank you. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Have a great weekend. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy family and friends. And I'm going to see you all at the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out, because it does help the channel. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.